Do you want to pack into one tidy package all of your work, from chat apps and client emails to task management and file sharing, which is workflow and budget friendly? But it's not an easy process. That's why you need Nifty, a tool to keep everything and everyone in a single place. Hey there, in this Nifty Lifetime Deal Review video, you are about to know what Nifty is, its features, regular pricing plans, Nifty Appsumo Lifetime Deal, discount, and last verdict. What is Nifty? Nifty is a remote collaboration hub that helps you consolidate projects, goals, and communications to streamline your entire workflow. Designed to keep everyone on the same page, Nifty lets you view all your work in one simple, interactive dashboard, from project files to deadlines. Thanks to the clean interface and scalable layout, you can track task assignments, activities, and time logs across projects, filter tasks by due dates, task assignees, and milestones to see exactly where you and your team stand with your project progress. No more trying to guess who's doing what. You can also automate your progress tracking based on task completion to provide real-time project reporting and status updates. You can easily collaborate with your team and clients using real-time messaging to share ideas and collect feedback, create group chats or slide into a team member's DMs for one-to-one discussions, and organize your discussions using threads. You'll be able to convert any message into a task for your team, turning every discussion into action. Plus, Nifty integrates with Zoom to seamlessly escalate team chats to an audio or video meeting. With Nifty, you can keep all your important insights in a single place, the dashboard. Stay on top of your progress with a bird's-eye view of discussions, milestones, tasks, and anything else important. You can also track how much time you've spent on a project. Each team member can fully customize the dashboard, tailor it to fit your workflow, and prioritize insights, so you can spend less time searching. Manage your own assigned tasks across projects using the Kanban board to organize, collaborate, and prioritize work. You can create tasks and subtasks from feedback left on documents or files, and assign them for immediate action. Custom automation even allows you to set up if-then scenarios based on task creation, movement, or completion. And you'll be able to use custom embeds to integrate third-party apps and data into tasks, docs, or even as a project view. Features of Nifty. In Nifty, you will get 8 different features that help you manage your project tasks remotely in a single place. Let's have a look at the features of Nifty below. Discussions. Nifty allows you to establish your knowledge hubs by collaborating among project members and making meaningful decisions. In the Discussions feature, you will get 3 steps that will help you to boost your ideas and knowledge hubs. Facilitate ideas. Discussion with team members enables you to share ideas, collect feedback, and make meaningful project decisions. Take actions. You will be able to turn project discussions into quick actions with ease. Also, you can convert a message into a task or create a doc with all team members. Stay connected. Discussions features enable you to stay connected and engaged with your teammates and communicate outside of projects that ensure a healthy atmosphere. Share files. You can easily share files from your computer, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Create threads. You will be able to organize your discussions with amazing threads that make up ideas for answering questions or adding context to messages. Tasks. To keep track of all the information you're storing in your brain and to organize tasks, entrepreneurs need a more sophisticated way of managing projects. Leveraging the power of software applications is key here, and it's a trend that's only going to continue growing as businesses grow increasingly complex. Start with clarity. Always keep an eye on what your team members are doing and how they're doing. Access in real time the causes and effects of specific tasks, as well as their statuses, via My Work. Never miss a deadline. Filter tasks by their due dates, task assignees, and tied milestones to see exactly where you stand with your project's workflow. Automate task assignments. Giving all of your team members an easily manageable list of tasks to follow will make your workflow much more efficient. When a team member is responsible for multiple things, it helps if they're aware of what other responsibilities and deadlines they might have. Recurring tasks. Set tasks to recur by date, status, or other conditions to automatically recreate your scheduled tasks based on specific dates or reaching a certain status. Custom fields. We know it can be difficult to keep everything on the product roadmap straight, but now with custom tags, you can tell at a glance exactly what needs to get done and by whom. Make every action accountable. Nifty offers you a solution to help make sure that you never lose track of time you spend working on your tasks. With us, you will always know with whom, when. Time tracking. See what people are working on and when, as well as how long they worked. Here are 3 types of view. Improve productivity. Track costs. Balance team workloads. Time tracking. See what people are working on and when, as well as how long they worked. Here are 3 types of view. Improve productivity. Track costs. Balance team workloads. Project home. Establish when you want to receive notifications within projects and quickly set alerts if you don't want to be disturbed then. One of the best features that Teamwork Projects offers is having all of your projects in one place. Prioritize insights, customize modules, streamline action, do more with project milestones. Aligning your team to project objectives helps to promote continuous alignment of business views, products, and services throughout your organization. It helps to create a competitive edge for all parties involved. Do more with docs and files. For example, instead of jumping back and forth between your chat and email app as you try to coordinate a project with both internal and external parties, Workload Project Overviews manage all your projects without fail and split tasks among team members in one place. Workload and Project Overviews manage all your project. If constant status update meetings on Zoom are just revealing how often you wear the same shirt, it's time to get a better project management system. With Nifty, you get an all-in-one platform that supports team collaboration, communication, automation, so your projects feel effortless. If constant status update meetings on Zoom are just revealing how often you wear the same shirt, it's time to get a better project management system. With Nifty, you get an all-in-one platform that supports team collaboration, communication, and automation, so your projects feel effortless. Get lifetime access to Nifty today. One-time purchase of only $79.